Downtown. That's what I'm talking about. Get your ass out of here. That's what I'm talking about. I told your ass. Get your ass out of here. I told you, didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
Don't touch her, don't touch her, let her be. Don't touch her, don't touch her.
Didn't I tell you? Wait.
Don't touch her.
Wait. Didn't I tell you about 5 minutes ago that somebody's gonna walk by here and no, I would not defend you because you spewed hate and you got hate. You got exactly what you were dishing out. I told you, I warned you on that. Didn't I?
Donald Trump to say you now.
Nobody calls shit.
She ain't hurt. She gonna lay there and act like she
I told you she wasn't crazy. She knows what she's doing.
She gonna lay there like she hurt. Hey, where's Donald at? Hey, where's Donald at?
Donald Trump.
Where's Trump at? Guess what? He still ain't here. I told you that. I told you that shit was gonna happen. I told you, and you looked at me. You asked me as a black man would I defend you, and I told you no. I told you no.
She's waiting now.
She been away. She trying to keep her eyes closed. You can see them moving.
This is Hollywood acting, you guys.
Someone give her CPR. Nobody wants to put their lips on that. What the fuck? You might just put your lips on the crack pipe.
This is Hollywood acting right here, you guys.
You know what? The paramedics may have been here if they weren't, Mexican. Exactly.
Hey, I got to start tonight. Go to the paramedic Mexican, bro. What's she going to
I'm gonna get this Snapchat of you. Because you're looking pretty sad for that.
Do you need some water? I mean, it's not that. Do you want somebody to call an ambulance?
I'm telling you, they're gonna be Latin.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, what?
Isn't Donald Trump supposed to help you?
Where's Donald? I'm probably raping some bitch, right?
You want me to tweet him?
I don't know.
You know what? The ambulance probably, the local PD probably dealt with her before.